Hello, and welcome to another episode of Science Magic. Today, we're going to share to you how to make a double pendulum. For this project, we used a 3D printer, coins, tape, 2 screws, wood, and 2 bearings. Let's get started. We found our model at thingiverse.com and printed it at 15% infill with no supports. All we had was PLA, but ABS should work better. The double pendulum consists of 3 parts: the mount, the big arm, and the small arm. We assembled the double pendulum and started testing it. We will show 2 of our best. We also managed to attach a LED to the double pendulum, which allowed us to film light paintings showing the path and randomness of the double pendulum. So there you have it, how to make a double pendulum. Thanks for watching.